Ever wondered which vitamins are vital for your nerve health? Well, the answer is as intricate as the nerves themselves. In the complex world of nerve health, certain vitamins play a starring role. Today, we're going to delve into the top 6 vitamins crucial for nerve repair and health. Let's kick off with vitamin B12, often renowned as the nerve vitamin. This essential nutrient is a superhero for your nerve cells, maintaining their health and contributing to the production of myelin. Myelin, if you didn't know, is the protective covering of nerves. Think of it as the armor that defends your nerve cells from harm. Next up, we have vitamin B6. This vital vitamin is the master of neurotransmitter synthesis, aiding in the smooth communication between nerve cells. But that's not all. Vitamin B6 also assists in the formation of hemoglobin, a key player in oxygen transportation. Moving on to vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Don't let its sunny nickname fool you. This vitamin is a heavyweight when it comes to nerve function. By incorporating vitamin D into your diet, you could potentially reduce your risk of neurological disorders. Now onto vitamin E. This vitamin is the ultimate antioxidant powerhouse. Its primary role? Protecting your nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. By doing so, vitamin E ensures your nerves remain healthy and strong. Next in line is vitamin C. Most of us know this vitamin for its immune-boosting properties, but it's also a key player in nerve health. Vitamin C supports the synthesis of collagen, an essential component for maintaining the structural integrity of your nerves. Finally, we turn to omega-3 fatty acids. While technically not a vitamin, these fatty acids are too important to omit. They contribute to the structure of nerve cell membranes and support overall neurological function. So there you have it. Your nerve health depends significantly on these 6 nutrients: vitamin B12, vitamin B6, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids. Remember, a balanced diet rich in these vitamins is fundamental for nerve repair and overall health. As always, we recommend consulting with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist to understand your specific dietary needs. With Afro Asia Natural Health tips, you're never alone on your journey to holistic well-being. Subscribe to our channel for regular insights and guidance on achieving a healthier, more vibrant life. Here, your well-being is always our priority. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong,